Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can save Snapchat snaps into your gallery. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So if you open Snapchat application, once you open Snapchat application, it will be on this default screen. From here you can just take a picture. Suppose I take this picture. So once you take a picture, all you can do, you can edit it with these options. If you want to download the application and save it to your gallery, just tap on save and this picture will be saved to your gallery. But if you have old snaps on your Snapchat, suppose you access to this one and these are all your memories, home, camera roll, dream, stories. But if you already have snaps here on Snapchat, suppose these are all the pictures that I took, and it is, you can see the date as well, since 2021 as well. And suppose I want to download this one to my gallery. All you need to do is to tap on the three lines here, and from there you need to tap on export or send snap. So once you tap on that one, this menu will appear here. You need to scroll a bit where you will find the download option. So tap on download, and as you can see, it is exporting and now already done. I will show you that in the gallery. Just go to open your gallery, and here you have it. This picture was downloaded from Snapchat. So guys, this is how you can save images from Snapchat into your phone gallery. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.